Okay, we can start now. So in last class we were discussing about these portions we done last class. AMI catalog, those things we done. So today what we're gonna do means this 12 12 GB, this 10 GB, sorry, this 10 GB volume is there, right? So this volume, how to create a snapshot, I'll gonna show that. Okay, how to create a snapshot and how to attach this snapshot, those things I'm gonna show that. Okay, volumes we are aware about already. Volumes, there are two types are there. So instance storage volume and EBS volume. Instance storage volume and EBS volume. So instance storage volume used for temporary data, where data is available as long as the instance is running. If you stop or terminate the instance, then the data is lost. We are aware about that. And EBS volume is used for persistence data, where the data is available even when you stop or terminate the instance. The data will be persistent under this. Okay, this is permanent, I mean to say. Then if you think Amazon EBS volume is durable block level storage that you can attach to your instance, you can attach multiple EBS volumes to a single instance. For one server, multiple volumes can be attached. Okay. Amazon EBS provides the following types: general purpose GP2, GP3, provision IOPS, throughput optimized STD, code STD, and magnetic storage. Then the difference in performance characteristics and the price, allowing you to tailor your storage performance and cost to the needs of your application. So then snapshots. An EBS snapshot is a point in time copy of your EBS volume. Okay, EBS snapshots are incremental copies of data. For example, think now you have the volume. Okay, the 10 GB volume is there, right? The 10 GB volume will use, and using the 10 GB volume, we are going to create the snapshot. Snapshot is created 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. We created the snapshot. Assume that. Then you created some files inside the volume at 8:05. Then 9 o'clock also you created some files. 10 o'clock you created some folder. Then think logically. The 8 p.m. you took the snapshot, right? In that snapshot, after 8 o'clock, whatever you do, right, that won't be stored. Before 8 o'clock, what you did, everything will be stored. After 8 o'clock, after you click on the create button, right? After that, whatever you're going to do, right, those won't be stored. Then those are you want means what you need to do, you take another snapshot. If you take another snapshot at 10 o'clock, then the 10 o'clock snapshot will have all things before 10 p.m. What are the changes you did, right? Everything will be stored. That's the incremental data we call it as. This means that only unique blocks of the EBS volume data have changed since the last EBS snapshot are stored in that next EBS snapshot. So the charges for your snapshots are based on the amount of data you stored. For example, I'll store 10 GB. Somebody will store 20 GB. Based upon that, the charges will be applicable. Then you can share a snapshot across multiple AWS accounts by modifying its access permissions. Make sure EBS snapshot is fully support EBS encryption techniques. Okay, then we have a lifecycle manager. Lifecycle manager we are called as a DLM, data lifecycle manager. Lifecycle manager also called as a data lifecycle manager DLM, helps you to schedule and manage the creation and deletion of the EBS snapshots. Okay, so Amazon Data Lifecycle Manager DLM for EBS snapshots provides a simple automated way to take a backup of data stored on the Amazon EBS volumes. You can define backup and retention schedules for EBS snapshots by creating the lifecycle policies based on the tags. Within this feature, you may no longer have to rely on the custom scripts to create and manage your backups. Okay, so this feature is available only in US, East Virginia, uh, and West Oregon and Europe, Ireland. AWS at no additional cost. Okay, let me show that now how to create the volume for this. Okay. Oh, we connected to DevOps one. Sorry. We'll go to the